I'm excited to show you guys the inside of 766 Rucker. This home is just outside of Azle, backing up to Eagle Mountain Lake. You can actually see a little bit of the lake right there, and you can even see it through the windows. It has the opportunity to have 3 separate units, the first floor and then an upstairs unit and an in-law suite. A really great opportunity if you're looking for something to become an investment property or an Airbnb, or if you're looking to have a weekend getaway with your family and multiple generations. It could be very versatile and great spot, close to Fort Worth still, and only about 15 minutes from getting to the main part of Azle, which has, Walmart and other conveniences. And I'm excited to show you how beautiful it looks. Expansive back. When the water is really low in low season, some of this will no longer have water, but you will still have the tranquility of no neighbors leading to the back. Sometimes the water will recede back that way towards the main body of the lake. Here, so peaceful. You have also a carport space here. This door opens up, but it's a little bit open here. I'll show that to you in a second, as well as a large metal shop that has a second garage door. So if you had a boat, you could actually pull it through this and straight out to the lake. Private front yard, new fence along that side. It has a large oversized carport that's enclosed on 3 sides, practically a garage because it does have a garage door, but it is open on this side to lead out to the lake. Through the carport, you have a spacious metal building. This has garage roll-up doors on both sides, so if you did want to bring a boat through, you absolutely could do that. That's the door out to the back patio. As you can see, it is quite large and allows you a lot of additional versatility with extra power out here, and above is the in-law suite. We'll head up those stairs in a minute, leading to the guest suite and the upstairs living and other bedroom. Ooh, there's some lightning. You have a huge patio here that looks out on the beautiful water. A storm is coming in right now, and I'm excited to show you how beautiful it looks. Expansive back. When the water is really low in low season, some of this will no longer have water, but you will still have the tranquility of no neighbors leading to the back. Sometimes the water will recede back that way towards the main body of the lake. Here's the other side of that shop. So peaceful. This large back patio, mature tree here giving you some extra shade in the summer. You have a open game space down here. The main part of the house is here, and then the guest quarters are up above me. Headed in the front door on the first floor, you have a coat closet here. This is the open entertaining space. Concrete floors with a beautiful stain, makes it easy for cleanup. You have a lot of entertaining with the foosball table and air hockey table. You have a dry bar over here. Could be totally made into another full kitchen if you chose to use this downstairs as a separate living space. Beautiful French door with the extra windows looking out on the lake. And then you have a dining as well as another living space over here, this one with vaulted ceilings. And then a bedroom on this first floor. Also, once again, very tall ceilings. Closet over there, large room, plenty of space. And then leading into the full bathroom here with the step-up shower. So lots of opportunity to use this as a weekend entertaining area, potentially lease it out as an Airbnb and finish it off with a full kitchen, or just a great place to host a party and enjoy lake life. They also have an extra stairwell here that leads to the upstairs unit, but it can be separated so that way you can have separate dwellings, and it even has another extra door from the outside for that upper unit. From the downstairs unit, headed up into the living room, you notice this nice open concept with wood-burning fireplace, nice built-in library area, as well as dining space and kitchen. Stainless steel microwave and oven, lots and lots of countertop space. Ideal for entertaining, living in full time, or using as a second home. Great views from the living space out on the lake, as well as an additional patio here on the second floor. It's very peaceful listening to the rain up here this afternoon. Deep double sink, also great views off the window. And you also have a bathroom here off the kitchen. Headed into the primary bedroom. Nice plush carpet, 3 windows, nice size. You can see all these bookshelves are added in here, so you can see just how much space there is. Into the primary bathroom, which has a gorgeous large shower with multiple shower heads, huge frameless, which is beautiful. You have marble countertop on this vanity with tons of storage and large mirror. And then you have this extra retreat, which is a garden tub with a lot of space to enjoy and relax. Primary bathroom is definitely a highlight of this home. Ooh, and the storm. You have a master closet here. And then this door actually leads into the secondary guest suite or in-law suite. So this door can be separated. You could use all of this for additional storage if you wanted to have the 2 units apart from each other, or you could choose to have it as it is now, which is available to walk to and from the in-law suite from the main unit. You have some versatility there. Heading up from the outdoor stairs or heading across the second floor patio from the main unit is a lovely additional patio and door to the in-law suite. So you can see you have the expansive views here off of the in-law patio. You can feel the wind off the lake, beautiful breeze. So this area has the 2-bedroom, 1-bath in-law suite. New windows here on this space. Carpet is in fantastic shape. Currently being used in an office, but would be great kind of petite living room here. And then into the updated kitchen, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. And even in low season, when the water has receded some, you still will have expansive views and green space too. 24 by 24 tile here in this kitchen. And it does have a pantry headed from the living room, goes into bedroom 1, and then this is being used as kind of a storage space. In here, kind of a petite bedroom. Currently being used as a sewing room, but this is bedroom 1 for this space. And it also has beautiful views. And then into the storage room here. And both of these bedrooms have access to a full bathroom with granite countertops once again. And it has a shower there. And then this is the door that I showed from the other side. That's the primary bedroom. So if you wanted these units to be separated, you would just close that door, you'd lock it, and then you could even use that entire space as an additional primary closet if you wanted to, or if you're using it like this, where you can have it open and utilize from both directions. It's very versatile, lots of options for how the space will work best for your life. Also, wanted to point out that for convenience, the laundry room is separate from the units. It's not all adjoined. The laundry room is right over here. So over in this corner, you have a storage room with water heaters, HVAC system here. And then here is your laundry space in a separate room in between the 2 units. Makes it convenient, especially if you had multiple generations living together, or if you were maybe leasing this out as a 1 bedroom here, 1 bedroom here, and then maybe even downstairs, because they're all able to be separated from each other. Lots of great options. And I just cannot get over the lake. It's beautiful.